Hi, how are you? Edward Plant here, founder of the Business League, and I just wanted to drop a quick message to you as we have you registered for our breakfast on the Wednesday after Easter. You'll just notice the drop down to my son's school to see his Easter hat parade and a lovely creek in the background that's full of water because of all the rain we've had. But I wanted to let you know what we're going to cover on Wednesday, how you can get the most out of it, and what to do to be prepared for it, and all the logistical details of it. Basically, it's on Wednesday morning at Bond Uni. There'll be a map in this email. Doors open at 6:30 and we kick off at 7 o'clock, finish at 9 o'clock. This breakfast is one of our 100% networking breakfasts. It's an amazing opportunity to get huge results and return for your networking. So we're going to do some facilitated activities that are going to help you get better connections and faster. So the team are all going to help you and get you results. So if you know what the results are you want, hit reply to the email and let me know. Otherwise we'll work it out on Wednesday morning. All you need to do is come prepared for a great morning, bring business cards, and we'll look after all the rest. There'll be a team at the front desk to welcome you and show you where and what to do. If you've got any questions, please hit reply. Otherwise, look forward to seeing you on Wednesday the 4th of April. Edward Plant from the Business League.